Introducing Primegrip hand seamers and hemming tools, the perfect combination for professional metalworking. When it comes to quality and precision, Primegrip delivers. Our Professional Series hand seamers feature comfortable double-layered foam non-slip handles and long-lasting heat-treated steel jaws. They come in a variety of sizes and angles, ranging from 3-inch to 12-inch runs and a maximum bend depth of 4 inches. The high-quality drop-forged steel jaw is designed to handle thicker gauge material with ease, and the springless design ensures your seamer keeps up with the demands of your job. The Primegrip standing seam benders are specifically designed for quick and precise hemming of metal panel edges for standing seam roof applications. Constructed from 10-gauge steel, our hemming tools feature high-quality spot welds and reinforced bolts, ensuring durability and longevity. They come in 4 lengths to work with all standard standing seam panels. Need to create clean and precise bends for your drip edge? We have 3 models capable of making 1-inch or 1.5-inch folds in metal panel edges. The high-leverage handle design will provide clean and precise edges with ease. Built from lightweight 14-gauge steel, they provide excellent strength and durability. With a 2mm throat gap, they can easily bend up to 18-gauge material. For convenient folding of metal sheets, our folding bars are the perfect solution. These simple yet effective tools allow you to make 3/8-inch and 1-inch bends in sheet metal. With an easy-to-use folding mechanism and handy sight holes for proper depth alignment, they make your metalworking tasks a breeze. Experience the exceptional quality and performance of Primegrip hand seamers and hemming tools.
Primegrip. Built battle strong.